Ever wonder how two vectors can create a new one that points straight out of the plane? That's the magic of the cross product, and it literally gives direction. The cross product takes two vectors in 3D space and gives you a third vector that's perpendicular to both. Let's solve a cross product in under a minute. Suppose we have two vectors, a equals 2, 3, 0. A equals 2, 3, 0 and b equals 1, 0, 4. B equals 1, 0, 4. We want to find a times b, the vector that's perpendicular to both. Step 1. Set up the determinant. To do this, we'll use the determinant of a 3 times 3 matrix with unit vectors I, j, k on top. Now use cofactor expansion across the top row. Take each component one at a time. I component. Cover the row and column for I, and take the determinant of the remaining 2 times 2. J component. Subtract the determinant a member. If your result points into or out of the screen, use the right-hand rule to check the direction.